are studying the solar eclipse. How eclipses are formed. There are two types of eclipse. One is solar eclipse and another one is lunar eclipse. First of all, the earth is rotates around the sun. By this
This is sponsor from 90s. Today I want to say about seasons. We have to imagine this is sun and this is earth. When the earth was rotating around the sun, the seasons were changing from northern hemisphere to southern hemisphere. If suppose summer in the southern hemisphere, this is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. If suppose summer in the southern hemisphere and automatically winter in northern
Exhibit number that మీరు బ్రీచ్ చేసే ఏల్.
This is semicircular glass slab. I will stick here. You imagine this is sun. The rays will be coming. The three rays here. Three rays is there. Three holes is there. In these holes, the sun rays will come and